大家早晨，我係 Big Boss Taxi 嘅 Alex。今日係6月5號，Big Boss Taxi 即將係會成為全港第一支的士車隊同八達通舉行簽約嘅合作儀式，一齊打通全面嘅的士生態系統。到時候市民可以更加方便咁樣享受 Big Boss Taxi 嘅優質服務。具體嘅簽約情況，大家一齊同我去現場睇睇啊！
而香港最 iconic 嘅係街頭嘅紅色的士。Today, these icons have come together to form one total solution。一個八達通 App 全面連接乘客同司機。We are delighted to partner with Big Boss to bring this to life. Their modern fleet, together with Octopus Innovation, will not only digitize the taxi experience, but it will make every journey smarter, every transaction faster, and every day a little bit easier for the people who keep Hong Kong moving.
今日咧，其實同 Big Boss 呢一個合作咧，就係話俾大家聽，即係我哋向呢個業界咧，就係推進呢個科技化同埋數碼化嘅一個決心嚇。喺服務嗰度咧，其實我哋係破格咁樣咧，就將我哋個服務擴展，由 call 車、線上支付、車內支付同埋未來的士師傅出糧嗰度成個支付整個生態系統嘅。咁今日咧，其實同 Big Boss 嘅宣佈咧，係作為我哋呢個里程碑嘅第一步。
Big Boss Taxi 以推動行業嘅革新為使命，向理想出發。透過 Call 車易嘅呢一個叫車平台，乘客咧係可以喺同一個八達通 App 入邊咧，係實現一鍵叫車即時支付嘅無縫出行體驗。而我哋嘅吉祥物師傅仔，特別係用上咗獅子嘅獅，寓意就係凸顯獅子山嘅精神。為顧客度身訂造，提供佢哋需要嘅服務，令到大眾對 Big Boss 嘅信心係更加增加。